Now pause into excellence. The Tiger PAWS is an acronym for preparation, alternative criteria, work ethic, and support. Let's look at preparation. Preparation begins with having the right mind frame. First and foremost, the mind frame that this is graduate school. That means research, writing, and attendance. Because this is online, attendance means substantial online engagement. Our program, please know, is one that is positioning you for upward mobility. Keep that in mind as you matriculate. Our next preparation is to have the right materials, the tools, and the resources that you need. One key part of the material is to have a computer. Do not rely on a smartphone, iPad, or smart watch. You may be able to use these for different things, but that can't be your sole resource. Information is going to help you as you prepare. Please learn more about your admissions status. And the admission status means that you were admitted. Full admissions, conditional admissions, or provisional admissions. Learn more about that in our catalog. Also, make sure you understand the program enrollment and design structures. Our program is designed as 8-week terms. There are 2 classes per term, and there are 36 earned semester credit hours that are to be completed in 1 year. All of this equates to 7 academic terms. So we call it a 7 academic term progression. In that progression, 9 hours make up content courses, 21 hours are concentration courses, and 6 hours are research courses. This is your 36 hours. The graduate program is online. However, it does incorporate academic support components. We call them orientation, virtual labs, and developmental seminars. And they may be offered asynchronously. Synchronous means that you may very well have faculty who will say, let's meet all at once as a group, so you're meeting at the same time. Asynchronous simply says there are things, most of the courses, you work at your own pace, ensuring that you are still, though, meeting the submission deadlines. In preparation, going to the graduate school website is important to get information. The institutional website is important for information because even from the institutional website, that is the place you will go. It will say quick links, and that's how you will take your courses. It's on what's called campus. Now, for the alternative criteria, it's simply to ensure that you know when you hear EPI, that's Educator Preparation and Innovation, that is the program that's going to help lead you to your alternative certification. And W is for work ethic. We're going to keep it simple. Stay on the progression plan and maintain a 3.0. That's the work ethic to make sure you do that. A move off the plan is going to deter the 1 year progression. And less than a 3.0 will equal probations. Repeat offenses will equal suspension. But we don't want to go there because we promise is embedded a support roadmap. Well, what happens on this roadmap? First, we begin with orientations even before classes begin. Well, there are other orientations. There will be a chat and chew where you'll get a chance to meet the president, the provost, faculty, and academic advisor for your program. There will be another orientation in Canvas to help you know more about how to navigate the learning management system, which is what you will learn as you operate your classes. There will be virtual labs, the praxis support you will hear more about. That is not optional. That is a part of your first course, MEDU 500. Also with the virtual labs, there will be virtual faculty conferences. They're integrated in all courses. There will be developmental seminars. You can check Basecamp for any of those professional development announcements. And there will be different points of support as you will learn. But for right now, we're not going through all of them. Your point of support is Ms. Michelle Copeland, the administrative assistant for the School of Graduate Studies. That's your main point of support. And we want you to, and she will help you to stay focused on the mark toward graduation. And as she tells you things, you don't wait for that, but you listen for all the opportunities that are being presented to you, because every opportunity has a purpose. I'll give you an example. We offered a course, EDTE 779, with the University of South Carolina. For those persons who took the challenge to take this course and passed it by earning a B or better, you only have one course to take as you enter this program. So keep listening and moving toward your mark.